My crypto legends, hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Let's analyze the situation for Bitcoin here. What is going on? We'll be taking a look at the daily. The major bounce that we did have is this bounce over. We're just going to create here a lower high and we are going to continue to the downside. We're going to analyze the situation here on the 15-minute chart. Of course, we'll be going to look at the 1 hourly, 2 hourly to take a look at the situation here for Bitcoin, of course. Okay, now it is possible that we are forming this diamond top pattern here in the immediate short term. I am talking about this one. Now it is a little bit too early to say, of course, but yeah, it does look like that we are gonna, you know, finally collapse from these levels. I did enter a short position also at this level because I did see this scenario, okay, potentially coming back down to retest the lows here at 37.7. It's a hedge position against my long. Of course, I've closed 75% on my long position already because I can see the Bitcoin price getting weaker and weaker, and we could see that rollover. Okay, now it's still a little bit too soon to see this diamond top. There is a possibility here that we might create, you know, get defended from this range and create a higher low in the immediate short term. Now this will be the moment where we can see if there's any strength or not. And then, you know, these are usually bearish patterns, right? Diamond top or diamond bottom. So I would say around about 60-65% of the times, you know, in the case of this one being a diamond top, it would roll back down and retest the lows. Now, it's still a little bit soon. We could still have a few hours inside of this range. Okay, we might create a higher low here, get a little bit of a bounce again, go back to the 39K range. And yeah, let's just wait and see in the next coming hours. But like I said, there is a higher probability of this actually coming back down. There is the case of this diamond pattern that could be also broken to the upside. Of course, there is a small percentage of that happening. But by the looks of the markets, you know, we can see that we are, you know, having that weakness, as you can see here on the chart. So let me just take a look here at the comment section. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500. We are actually getting a reaction at this major resistance level here from this descending channel. We got a support, as you can see, slightly on the S&P 500. As you can see here, we might be losing this range. Now it seems like there's going to be raising hikes, you know, 0.5. They're going to be pretty aggressive, so maybe this is going to be the start of a major panic and loads of people are going to, you know, sell a lot of different assets. We're going to analyze the DXY. The DXY is actually, you know, breaking the resistance from these lower highs, and this is looking at the weekly chart. DXY gaining strength. I'm not surprised here. I did see the DXY potentially, you know, going to slightly higher levels in the next coming months. This is very, very possible because of the interest rate hikes, of course. So let me just go here through the comment section, of course. But before, I need you guys to absolutely destroy that like button. 200 watching, only 30 likes. Come on, guys, you need to give some support here to the channel, because I do this every single day, doing daily updates on Bitcoin, some other cryptocurrencies, doing live streams to connect with the community right now. So I'm just going to go through the comment section, say hello, see what's going on, guys. Capitan America, hi Andy, I lost in this bear run everything. I don't know what to do, how to recover. Well, this means that if you are losing everything you invested at very high price levels, I know many people that have done, okay, this was the hype, it was the bubble in between, you know, 2021 and 2022, of course. And yes, I think the best thing is to stay patient. This might take a couple of years. Let's be honest. This might be, you know, the start of something even more painful. You know, we do not know where Bitcoin could really go. It could even drop below $30,000. It can even come down to retest the $20,000 range, and you just need to prepare for it. Okay. Of course, just accumulate more, or depending on if you invested money that you needed for daily use or monthly use, you know, you need to have your dollars or whatever currency that you have. You know, you need to have a backup of 6 months at least, in my opinion. Okay. If I lost everything in crypto and, you know, and YouTube and everything, and I know, well, my trading skills are always going to be there because I've been learning them for years now. But if I lost everything, I at least have 6 months, to survive, to pay my rent, to pay food. At least 6 months I have. Okay. I actually have a bit more now, but that would be the minimum thing. So it all depends. How to do to recover? Learn trading. You can, you know, learn trading. I would say the bear market is, you know, it's here. It might take a long time. Usually bull runs are maybe 1 year, maybe 1.5 years. Bear markets can be 2, 3, 4 years, right? So just be patient, learn trading, have different incomes. I don't know how to help you, but bear markets, it's just the general sentiment. So yeah, nothing. Everyone panic, says Blitz. Yes, everyone panic. It does look like that BTC is going to come back down. We can see the weakness. We can see the S&P 500 not looking great. Gotta be honest with that. It's not looking great. We do have, you know, this descending broadly, these lower lows, major support, you know, holding by a thread. We also had this channel that we've been talking now for quite some time on the S&P 500. We're actually just, you know, sitting above this lower high resistance from this level also. So there is a potential there that we could get a bounce from this range, but market sentiment is just, you know, everybody is very bearish. A lot of people might just go sell, you know, the assets, and this is just at the verge of a massive capitulation event. It is at the verge of a capitulation event. Basically, if we start losing these lows over here, we've already created the lower high on the S&P 500, looking at the 4-hourly time frame. If we lose this low over here, it might, you know, trigger a massive capitulation. You know, I see the S&P 500 going as low as, you know, 3,700, 3,600 in a matter of a few weeks. Okay, this will be very fast, very aggressive, and it will definitely affect the crypto market. Make sure to hold onto your stable coins, your dollars, or whatever you have, okay, currencies, because you just need to take a look at this chart over here. This doesn't, you know, this is the DXY dollar index. This, you know, this might go pretty parabolic, and it might be for weeks, it might be for months. But note that when you see this parabolic movement on the DXY, guys, nothing goes up forever. This will collapse. This will be the moment where you might, you know, enter a big, massive kind of recession. You know, I don't know, but, you know, this going up so sharp, yeah, we're going to basically come down also as fast as we came up on the DXY. And this is the moment where Bitcoin and crypto will come back to its massive big hype, the money of the people, right? And you know, this is the weekly chart on the DXY. This could happen early 2023, you know, late 2023, where you might see some, you know, the start of a potential big bull run on crypto again. It's very, very unpredictable, but we can have an idea that it will come back. So let me just go through the comment section, say hello to the people. Also, Stephanie Blanco, hello, how are you doing? Thank you for joining. Buy and stake Hex. I remember seeing Hex when it was fractions of a penny. Everybody was calling it a scam, so I didn't even check out this cryptocurrency. It has a very, very, this is kind of bear market resistance actually, Hex, because yeah, I think Hex, you know, might be doing very, very well. It has been doing well while Bitcoin and crypto have been going down. I've seen this before, but I remember, you know, hearing about Hex back in 2020, you know, it's a scam. Everybody's talking about Hex, you know, you need to stake massive amounts, lock it for 6 months, 8 months, you know, all of this, you know, people could not sell their Hex because it has a massive lock in staking. I didn't do thorough information because most of the people were calling it was a scam project. Apparently it's not, and it will do well. Richard Hart, the founder of Hex, you know, seems a very, very smart guy. Every time I see him on a collaboration with other YouTubers, he basically, you know, he has answers for everything, and he's it seems a pretty smart guy. Hola amigo Joseph, I got Joseph, my moderator here. I've also got Seb. How are you guys doing? Thanks for joining the live stream. Let me just, I want to take a look. Look at GMT, please. I'm underwater, got liquidated around 4.10. Let's take a look at GMT here for Druv. Absolutely, GMT, what's going on? I made massive trades on GMT. This basically got my, you know, trading profits for April. You know, last week was absolutely insane. I did 3. Wow. This one went absolutely crazy. What a spike. What a spike here on GMT. I think a lot of people, you know, are looking for those shorts. Remember, there's a hype right now in earn to walk, okay, earn to move. I don't know what it's called, but there's a massive hype on stepping. It's crazy. We got all of these YouTubers, you know, saying, hey, I'm making $100 a day just by walking. Be careful with all of this. It's in a hype. I wouldn't mind shorting this because this is starting to be a big massive bubble. Let's take a look at it is actually a category here on CoinGecko. Let me just refresh this. It must be the only one that's going up. Yeah, move to earn. There it is. Look at this. Hey, massive big hype on this right now. And I'm not sure how sustainable this is because they basically pay all of these rewards by people walking, buying these shoes with massive returns because there's more people coming in every time, right? It's kind of a pyramid scheme. Everything's a pyramid scheme, right? So yeah, stepping, absolutely massive big hype. I've heard about green Satoshi token, also another play to earn, not play to earn. Play to earn is yeah, that's old news. Never mind play to earn. Let's walk and earn. Yeah, I'm not sure how long this hype will last, but I do believe so that the crash is going to be epic on this, and GMT can be traded on Bybit. I will be potentially looking for some swing shorts here on GMT token. Now, something interesting here on GMT, we did analyze this not long ago. I made some absolutely fantastic trades here and also right over here, shorting right over here, this major resistance, you know, just quick day trades, small swing trades. And I haven't taken a look at stepping for the last few days, but yeah, this is absolutely insane. What happened here? We got a big massive spike in volume. It's going to be very, very fun. We got already a big rejection here, almost a swing failure, not on the 1 hourly, potentially might be on the 4 hourly. Pretty insane, big massive rejection here. This could be signs of a potential potential top on stepping. Reason why I shorted all the way up here is because of the 1.618 right there. We touched it to perfection. I thought, you know, this is very likely going to come down to lower levels. Got a big bounce at all-time high. Absolutely incredible. Very aggressive target. You know, we are potentially going to get a bounce from the 1.618. You know, this might continue. Let's see. I mean, it's too early to say, just because we've just had this pump today right now on GMT. I would wait. Let the price do whatever it needs to do. If it gains some strength, just by experience, I know the 1.618 golden ratio is heavy support, and it's also going to be, you know, the resistance is going to be the top of this range. So stay cautious. We want to see this 4-hourly close above this range, at least you know, at least 1 hourlies, or if 4 hourlies would be even better, above this major level. Okay, also big volume at this well, not too big volume actually, sorry about that, not huge volume. Big spike in volume. If we do close, you know, this major candle, 4-hourly candle below this range, and take a look at the 15-minute chart and see some selling pressure here. Wow, absolutely insane. Just a big massive scam wick, right? I think a lot of people are looking to short this crypto. This is why we've had this wick. Stay cautious. I want to see what happens in between today and tomorrow. By the end of tomorrow, let's see what happens. Are we going to be below this range? Then this could significant, you know, maybe a huge double top if we just have a 4-hourly close, daily close below this resistance. Massive swing failure pattern. This is very likely potentially going to continue down. Let's wait to see what happens on GMT by tomorrow, because this could gain some strength. And I'll tell you what, if we start pumping with high volume again here on those retracements, it's very, very likely we're going to get a big bounce at the golden ratio, the 618, okay, from these highs to the lows. And we're also hitting this resistance, okay, that should be acting as heavy support. So we've got a couple of things here that could, I'm just going to wait, not interested in doing anything at this moment. There's a big hype right now on move to earn. So yeah. SPX gonna have a huge bounce, says Bufo. Maybe I am still in my swing longs. They are slightly in the red right now. I've got, you know, some swing longs here on Prime XBT, and like I said, on Prime XBT you do get an insane bonus down below. You get 7% added to your deposit. You just need to follow the instructions down below. And on Bybit, you know, my favorite for swing trading, because the fees are so cheap. It's absolutely crazy to have a trade open here for 1 week, and yeah, the just fees are basically peanuts to pay. So you got also an insane bonus on Bybit to claim down below, up to $4,000, just over $4,000 right now. Actually, they've changed the bonus, so I need to modify that. It's just slightly above $4,000 that you can claim. Let's take a look. Smash the like button, people. Absolutely, Hector, thank you. Let's take a look at Zilliqa, big massive hype. Where is it now? I'm not sure if it below this range. This is looking pretty weak. This is the moment that we should be holding. This range should be holding for Zilliqa. One of the main reasons why is because of the big volume, but you know, these massive pumps that happen in less than 2 weeks and less than 1 week, actually, they are not healthy. It just try to bring a lot of people hyped up so they can buy at high levels, so the big players that have bought all the way down here can just dump on you. Yeah, this could come straight back down to the lows, but I would say, looking at the daily, we have, you know, big volumes. This could hold. This range could hold for Zilliqa, all depending on Bitcoin, all depending on the market sentiment. But yeah, if anything, this is worth the risk for a long. You know, it's 618 levels, okay, right over here. Consolidation. We've got big daily volume candle right there. Yeah, I wouldn't short this, of course, because we're basically at the bottom of a major trend, right? we're trying to look for shorts at the top of range, longs at the support. It's, you know, that's it. I do not breakout trade. Breakout trade has been one of the worst strategies that I've experienced for any markets, because you know the deal, breakout trading, yeah, they're not very good, in my personal opinion. Hi Andy, thanks for the TA, learned a lot from you, my man. Russ, you are very welcome. Thank you for joining, and thank you for thanking me. TS Pedro, hello. I really like your analysis. Soon I will be in your community. Abdul, absolutely phenomenal. Andy and new pattern, says Mustafa. Yes, Andy and new pattern. That's right. We got a diamond top pattern. It's not the most beautiful. Well, it is pretty nice. It does look pretty good. It does look pretty good. Lower the time frame, the better. We got, you know, these higher highs. We got the lower low range. We got a lower high, sorry, right there. We might be creating a higher low right here. So we didn't have a connection because this was a pretty, you know, large, you know, this went up too fast. You couldn't do this, right? That's not a diamond. We may be going to create a higher low right there, get a bit of a bounce. Is very possible. As long as we above this low, it's still, you know, it's still a valid pattern. You could do this, you could do this, wait for the consolidation. We are getting a reaction at this range, and let's see the bounce. If we have that bounce, we probably going to get big resistance here, might get a reaction, and then we will have a higher low to connect to finally complete the diamond pattern. So yeah, it's still a little bit soon. We still got a few hours here. If we start coming close to this low, then yeah, we might consolidate here and then start breaking down. It's going to be bad news. It's going to be bad news. We might be on our way down. Potential target to calculate from a diamond top pattern is the width of the pattern here. So this would be from the middle bit. So that would, you know, that would basically take us back down to the lows. As you can see, if we break up, we might just get a little bit of volatility. It's a little bit of a tricky pattern. We could go as high as $40,000. This is also very, very possible. Let's see what happens. I think higher probability is to the downside, of course. Right. Let's take a look. Mark Dutch is here in the comment section. Yes, sir. I got some spanners and hammers here from the mods. This means that we do have a super chat from Jersey Army. Boy, can you do XTZ, please? This is Tezos. Absolutely. Let's take a look at Tezos right away. Let's take a look at Tezos, see what's going on. Boom, boom, boom. Tezos. It is just about to break this uptrend support from high lows that we created from 2019. This is looking at the weekly chart. Absolutely insane. Look at this weekly chart. We can go to the daily. It's been creating higher lows for over 3 years right now. Over 3 years of higher lows, consistent higher lows and higher highs. Let's have a little bit of hopium here. Why not? You know, is this an ascending cylinder, accumulation cylinder? Jesse Livermore ascending cylinder right there, where we're just going to go absolutely bananas in the next coming years and go to absolutely insane high levels. Tezos was one of the massive projects I've been hearing. You know, I've been in crypto since 2018. Okay, fully in crypto. And I remember Tezos, you know, mid 2018, even 2019, 2020, Tezos this, Tezos that, you know, and it hasn't been an insane performer. It hasn't even done a 10x on its price, right, from, you know, from 2019 and 2020. And a lot of cryptos have done, at least some that I've held, 20, 30, even 50x. But Tezos has, you know, a lot of pumps, dumps, and hasn't done many X, just 3, 4x, which is really low in crypto, right? Not much to add. I mean, here on Tezos, let's go to the 4 hourly. It's just in a big downtrend. We are retesting these lows. Let's keep it simple here. Let's go with the trend, because the trend is your friend. And massive lower highs here. And we basically have this low at $2.60. $2.60. We're gonna go for the third retest, and it's not looking great. It's not looking great. Third retest of the lows. Will we manage to get a big bounce from this range, or if we start breaking solid 4-hourly candles beneath this level, it might be the moment where this is going to bottom out. Let's keep this clear also, because this is the moment where a lot of people get extremely bearish. If we start losing these lows, get close to these lows here on Tezos at the $2 range, then a lot of people are going to become very bearish, and this is the moment where we might flatten out for the next few months and then get the rally again. I would just wait patiently. Tezos is hitting a critical support level. It potentially can get a bounce from this range to create another lower high, right? We could get a bounce to around about the $3.20 for the next coming days, a couple of weeks. It is possible. We're basically hitting support. I'm not bearish at support. I am bullish most of the times. So potential short-term bounce before this big kind of symmetrical descending triangle ends. You know, we still could get some kind of a bounce here to the $3.20 range. Just to keep it simple in a nutshell here for Tezos. Not much to add. Not one of the best charts I like to analyze, that is for sure. There are some altcoins that I just take a look at the chart and I'm like, I can't take a look at this chart. I just can't. And Tezos is kind of one of them. XRP is also, I just cannot get my head around XRP. Davo, how are you doing? Seb, Mark Dutch, I got my moderators here giving power to the community. How many likes we at banana modes mods? Hey Andy, great to see you today. Felipe, thank you very much. Can you check RNDR, please? Absolutely. Let's take a look at RNDR. Let's take a look. RNDR, what is this? I have no idea what this is. Whoa, this is in a this is basically having a waterfall drop. RNDR, we haven't got more data here, so it's we could not take a look. It hasn't been listed on many exchanges for a long time, just a few weeks. RNDR, we haven't got much price data. We do have a bit here on Binance. Not much to say on this. This is just going in a massive waterfall drop. You know, big lower lows right there, lower lows, low lows. This is not looking great. No signs of stopping anytime soon. So RNDR. Render token. I have no clue, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's just going down and it's still dropping. Stay cautious with this. By any chance, talk about Bit, please. Bit, which is the Bybit token, BitDAO. Let's take a look at Bit. Why not? I'm not too sure what utility. Wow, long time analysis here. We were actually okay. I remember this over here. Yeah, looking for those shorts, that breakout. I mean, this was on the KASTA launch, so I remember you had to get some Bit tokens to claim some KASTAs, and there was a little bit of hype. We were talking about this breakout of these lower highs, and then once the KASTA token was launched, short it, because people are going to sell their Bit tokens, right? So it was just a little bit of a market sentiment right there. I remember analyzing this very well back then on the KASTA launch. Now, Bit token, what can we say about Bit token? Not much to add really, just a big downtrend, still creating lower we kind of broke out of this trend line of these lower highs. Yeah, we would have to see us. It's very hard to say on this one. For me to be bullish on this, we would have to, you know, not even breaking this lower high over here, because then we're going to start hitting this major resistance zone. We would have to get this above this major range successfully, and then wait for the potential retracement, see a big solid, you know, movement to the upside and get into the retracement. Very hard to say right here at this range, because this could easily just, you know, continue rolling down, have a little bit more of a pump, roll down, you know, pretty aggressive downtrend on this. Not much to add on bit token. Very hard to analyze with not, you know, price, you know, more data here from the past. It's just been going down and down and down, lower highs, lower lows, in a big massive downtrends. There is a little bit of sign of weakness of the bears, because you are creating slightly higher lows there. But yeah, the same here, higher lows and then roll back down. I would stay super cautious on this. This could continue the downtrend. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at USDT, USDC next, please, for buying. Yes, no, that's not going to happen. No, we can take a look at Euro USDT. ApeCoin, let's take a look at ApeCoin. Ape US dollar. I was looking for trades on this crypto. Cryptocurrency. Massive, big uptrend this. This one's going absolutely crazy. This one hit the 618, the 1.618, okay, to perfection. We had these highs. We had a large consolidation in April and broke the resistance, got a big rejection here, but then come back up and touched to the exact dollar, the 1.618 right over here, as you can see. Absolutely crazy how these fib levels, these expansions, sometimes play out so nice when you got a high and you got a large consolidation. You know, the impulsive move, 1.618 is a great target for this. So let's just analyze the situation here. It's just in a big uptrend. Looks like it wants to go parabolic soon. We can see the trend getting exhausted, right? We are kind of forming an ascending wedge, getting tighter and tighter every single time. So I would stay cautious on this ApeCoin, because the hype could end soon. The hype could end soon on ApeCoin. Not much to add here on ApeCoin. I would be getting ready for some shorts at this long. We're consolidating, potential swing failure pattern right over here. I would wait in between today and tomorrow, see if we could get, you know, another wick and then a big rejection and stay below this high. Then this could confirm that you are going to go to much lower levels, potentially to retest this low area. When you do create double top scenarios, you want to come down to the consolidation support level. So yeah, if anything, of course, all-time highs, you know, we are getting, it looks like we're getting exhausted here. The highs are getting, you know, lower and lower, as you can see with this kind of ascending wedge. So this could be at the very verge of a potential top. Not interested in long in this, of course. I would be looking for shorts, looking for that swing failure pattern, looking not managing to get above the high. Not much to add here on ApeCoin. I want to be pretty quick on this. Big support on the VPVR at this range. So yeah, we could be getting rejected at this range and coming down, getting a bounce. This would be a take profit area, the $18. If you're shorting here near the $20 region, obviously tight stop losses. If you get stopped out, it doesn't matter. You can get stopped out 2 or 3 times if you have tight stop losses, because the risk to reward here is pretty big. If it does come down, I do see it coming down to this range. which is the $18 area. 35k, I knew it, says Florian. How do you know we're going to 35k? 35k, I knew it. Okay. I don't know if we're going to 35k or 50k, but I'll be taking advantage and making some dollars, I'll tell you that. Hopefully you will as well. Let's scroll down here, take a look at the comment section. Right, I've learned a lot from your TA. Thank you, Andy. You are very welcome, Mr. Cryptos. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at Cosmos for the Lion. Long time since we haven't taken a look at Cosmos. I'm gonna put Atom, I think, because I think it's Atom. Atom ticker symbol. Well, just keeping it quite simple here for Cosmos, for Atom. If we do break this low, and we are just about to right now, or even better, if we do have a leg up here on Atom, we're going to get heavily resistance from this trend line, from these higher lows. Just keeping it simple. Lost higher low structure right there with this trend line broken down. This is very likely going to break the zone. If we do have a pullback here and start getting a reaction, I think we could come all the way down to retest the lows again. These lows, which we are retesting. This is if we do not break them now. I'm talking about the $20.50 for Atom. This is not looking great. Big, massive double top here. There was some hope here with these higher lows, but you know, yeah, just losing support ranges. If we lose $20.50, it could be in between today and tomorrow. Solid breakout. Get ready for that potential reaction at this $20.50 range, because we could get a leg down to around about the $17, which is our next big major support level. This is where we've had most of the reactions. Not much going on from this range because we've just had legs up and down. So beneath this range, you know, next big support level for a potential stop is $17 on Atom. Just to keep it here simple, looking at the levels here, zooming out on Atom, not much to add here. It's at oversold territory on the daily RSI, which is telling me, okay, we could get a bounce, okay, in the immediate short term, but I think we will be getting resistance and potentially just creating a lower high to continue to the downside. No signs of potentially recovering here. Crypto JPA, thanks for the $1. What is your question? I do not see a question here for Crypto GPA. Let's take a look at, please speak about Matic, XRP and Ethereum. Let's take a look at Matic. Why not? Let's try and keep it one crypto from the people, because I don't want to spend, you know, 5-10 minutes on one cryptocurrency. Just a quick, you know, overview. What do I think? Because I want to connect with you guys. So let's just take a look at Matic network, Polygon, Matic. What is going on? Retesting the lows. I think we had some slightly bullish why did we have this here? Let me just check. 4 hourly potential bullish divergence on the 4 hourly, getting that bounce. Yeah, there was some bullish divergence here, but it seems like they played out already. We're going to lose these lows support levels. I think Matic is at the verge of a potential collapse, at least to this trend line. Let me just zoom out on the daily on Matic. Yeah, I think this could happen. We got a solid. Let me just take a look at the daily levels that we have, and this daily level right there is just about to be broken, right? We got a daily level here from the 13th of October on Matic right here, which is just about to be broken. What if this level is broken? Well, we come down to the next daily level, which is round about the $1.05. Matic can come down to the $1.05, where we could be getting a potential big bounce, major daily level. $1, yeah, I'll be long in $1 if Matic goes down to that range for a potential day trade, small swing trade. What else? Weekly, let's take a look at the weekly and dailies. They are strong levels, monthly even stronger, but anyway, for the time frames that we're going to trade, day trade, weeklies, swing trades, daily and weekly levels are more than enough. We actually got a very strong weekly level here at the $1.10, where we could get a bounce. So I usually have my weekly my dailies in green, and I usually have my dailies in green and my weeklies in orange. So we got a weekly level right over here, exactly at the $1.12, where we could get a bounce. We could get a bounce from this range. Let's put the coordinates here. $1.20. $1.20 right over here. Whoops, that wasn't it, sorry. $1.12. Just going to keep this pretty, just showing you how to mark these levels. And this only works for large cryptocurrencies. Don't start, marking daily, weekly levels on low cap altcoins, because yeah, it's not going to work. It only basically works on the top 20, top 50 cryptocurrencies, right? The ones with a large market capitalization, where they do hold, at least over $1 billion, where they could respect these major levels, right? So let's zoom in on the 4 hourly again here on Matic, and yeah, if it breaks down, we got a major weekly level here, and it's also the support. Something similar happened to Bitcoin. Okay, this is the thing that I've been talking about the last couple of days, where we did bounce to perfection on that 37.7, and it was only a major weekly and daily level and low support, and this would be exactly at the $1.12 for Matic. So we could get that bounce from the low trend line here and from the major weekly level right there. This is if we're just about to break this daily range. We're just sitting there, so we could get a small bounce if we break down. It's very hard right now to find. I know it's the trend is your friend, but it is easier for me right here because I cannot short this, because we are at the very low bottom. We could have I might be shorting this range thinking that we're going to go to lower levels, going to hit this daily, and then we have a massive bounce like this for a lower high. So it's very hard. Of course, it would be absolutely phenomenal here for this for Matic to have a bounce in the next couple of days to the $1.50. Then I would be potentially happy to short that range. Why? Because we've got lower highs right there, trend line, and we'll be taking a look at fib levels from this large consolidation. So I would be looking for the 618, and yes, in the next 4 or 5 days it would be in between 50%, 618 Fibonacci. Then I would be happy enough. We'll be getting a liquidity above this lower high right there. Boom, 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 hitting major fib levels, major resistance, a lot of confluence. Then that would be a good short. Question is, are we going to go up there? Probably not. It will probably just collapse from here. I just don't want to short at support. If we do collapse, we got a major level hit there for a potential bounce at the $1.12. Just to keep it there. Pretty quick analysis here looking at Matic. Blitz win, thanks for the $10, but your message has been deleted by Davo. That must have been shilling cryptocurrency, bad language, or I don't know what you did, but thanks for the $10. But yeah, no Blitz win, no shilling, or no yes, no shilling in here, or no swearing. You will be deleted. Davo, what happened? he's going to let me know in the mods chat what happened there. I look to long sub 37k. Okay, on Bitcoin. Yeah, why not? Now this is confirmed a higher low on the diamond, guys. There we have it. We were looking for that higher low. There we've got it. We've got a higher low, so we can have a trend line right now. This is going to be another few hours till we have a decisive movement. It could be up, it could be down. Higher probabilities to be down. I'm longing from this range, but I'm also shorting from this range. I've got a hedge position. If we start coming all the way here to the top of the diamond, I'll be just, you know, getting out of my short, potentially for a breakout. If we start dropping from here, then I'll be getting, you know, I've got 25% of my position open still, just in case we do get a continuation rally. Stopped out break even with profits, riding the short from the top of this diamond pattern, guys. This is how you need to play the game. There's money to be made everywhere. You just need to have a clear game plan. And I hope you guys can learn a lot with this channel, guys. I really do. I'm just here to be totally transparent with my trades, with the analysis, and you need to smash up the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because this is daily, guys. Daily, every single day. And I try and read a lot of the comments, try to give you my opinion, my experience of what I know. And yeah, just smash up the like button. Cake price prediction. I say Cake is going to go to much lower levels. Cake has had a mess of a drop. Cake has had a mess of a drop. Ooh, very bad drop. Ooh, we got this box here being major support and major resistance, just retested a few weeks ago. Absolutely insane. Yeah, we're coming back down to $5 potentially on Cake. The thing about Cake, they have these ridiculous returns on their DEX. And of course they pay with their own tokens, and you know, this just is gonna have a large bear market sideways action. I gotta say, I remember having mates of mine saying, you know, yo, look at this, you know, look at huge returns, you know, 100%, 200% if you get into these pools and rest of it. I am actually in some other ones that are very flat in their market cap, and you know, they cannot go much lower. This is why the returns are really pretty sustainable. I'm talking about Change decentralized DEX application. But basically I remember having the lot of my mates saying, you know, get into Cake, you know, stake your cakes and rest of it. Last year, you know, when they were trading at $20, you know, $20 range, you know, these last year, these few months, right? And yeah, it's well down half of the price from that range. Anyway, that's don't want to talk about that. We were doing an analysis here. I think Cake is very likely going to come down to the $5 area. Very likely. Got big resistance at this major support that was created. Okay, as you can see, I'm talking about the $10 range. Nice round number. The $10 area just got one big wick. This lower high right there confirming the weakness, breaking here this low. It's time. It is time for Cake to come to the $5 region. Very likely. Just keeping it simple here. Not much. So yeah, I didn't even know that I could delete that. I'm on phone and my phone does weird crap. Okay, so what was that? My bad, Mladen. Wanted to take screenshots to remind Andy, and no, I deleted it. Okay. All right. Sorry. Let's take. He said he wanted to open swing on Cake. He said nothing bad. Okay. All right, guys. Let me try. I'm just gonna go to the mods. Blitz win. Let's see. Cake price prediction. Okay, Cake price prediction was from Blitz, so he didn't spam or he didn't shill any coins. Mistake from Dava there. It happens. Yeah, that's basically what I got. I think we could go and retest the lows here. We haven't retested these lows at $5.50. We could come down to $5.50. Then let's go with the trend. Trend is still pretty aggressive. Once we potentially see signs of double bottom, okay, or higher low, then we can talk of bullish scenarios, but not by the looks of things looking at this chart. So brother TLM, let's take a look at TLM. Multi-chain also, multi-chain, guess what? Multi-chain is, I'm going to take out multi-chain, take a look at multi-chain, and what else? What was the other one? Multi-chain, TLM, multi-chain. This used to be AnySwap, I think. This used to be AnySwap. It rebranded to multi-chain. AnySwap? Oh no. Yeah, AnySwap. I thought the AnySwap branded to multi-chain. They rebranded. But anyway, let's take a look at multi-chain. Why not? I think it must be a bridging swap, right? Multi-chain US dollar. It must be a bridging swap type of DEX, type of swap. Multi. Let's take a look at this one. Multi US dollar here on the chart right away here for the community, guys. Smash up the like button. Yes sir. Guys, are you bullish or are you bearish? Let's get the same poll as always. Are you bullish? Are you bullish on Bitcoin the coming weeks, or are you bearish, guys? Let me know in the comment section. I'm pretty neutral. I just want to make money basically right now. I don't care where the price goes. I just want to make money trading. I don't give a damn where the price goes anymore. I don't care, down or up. I want to make good trades, good money. Yeah, chain link, multi-chain, any chain. Oh man. Yeah, Seb. My goodness, what a guy, what a moderator. Let's take a look at multi-chain. Not much data here. We got the daily. It's just going down, guys. I cannot help you very much with this. I could just say it is going extremely down. We got a nice breakout from a major support level right there. Got the rejection. We're having a consolidation right there, but I haven't got, there's no price data. There's nothing much to say about this. Yeah, sorry, not much to analyze. This is just going down. Not much to analyze on multi. Very low liquidity, strange candlesticks. Yeah, not much to analyze on this. Need volume. We need volume. We need cryptos with volume that are big, that have been here for some time. Let's take a look. 44k test coming, says Serkan. Well, we got someone here that's pretty bullish on Bitcoin. Calling for that 44k retest. Hey, I'm up for it. Why not? 44k. I mean, why? I want to know why we're going to go to 44k. I want to know why we're going to go to 44k. This bat pattern completely failed. Well, I would be getting ready for a potential short, and I would be aiming this consolidation area. So once the price gets close to this level, start taking profits. It is a major level here. Looking at the VPVR, just to keep it simple here, looking at ApeCoin. Okay, big solid spike there at $18. I would be looking for shorts at this $20 range only if we see massive rejections on the 1 hourly and 4 hourly chart. It looks like a big, massive kind of ascending wedge, right? Looks like we are forming a very aggressive ascending wedge. Looking here at the 15 minute, we can go to the 30 minute, zoom out a little bit here. Yeah, stay cautious for this, because this could get messy. This could get messy. I would be looking for shorts here, not for long, that is for sure. Yeah, we got the bearish divergence on the 4-hourly chart, ascending wedge. Good, not looking good for ApeCoin. We could see that exhaustion here in the next couple of days and have a potential breakdown. I would be looking for shorts here. This is a coin that I might mention on a daily video. Last time I traded GMT, made insane profits. These are the ones you want to get in, you know, the ones out there are very, very hyped up. They do have a lot of nice volatility. GMT, what's going on with GMT? Because GMT had a massive spike to the upside. Oof, this one's gaining strength. This one is gaining strength. We do have a large consolidation here above the all-time high created a few days ago. I wouldn't bet against this one. There's a big hype on move to earn right now. We've got an insane amount of YouTubers. I might get a video out on move to earn. Why not? I might get a video on move to earn. Right, let's take a look. What happened? What happened? Did I lose connection? Let me just go through the mods chat here. It seems like I lost connection, guys. I'm just asking my mods. Am I live? I don't know what happened. By accident, wanted to take a dinner. It's back in. Right, I'm just asking my mods right now. It seems like I've had some issues here with the connection. Yes, I'm live. Guys, can you see me? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Whoop. Am I live or not, guys? Whoops, having some connections issues here. Right, stream froze and there was a guy talking about bath pattern. Bath pattern. Okay, now it's okay. You just came back. Okay, that was weird. That was weird. Anyway, let's GMT. Let's see what happens with GMT. Stanley Miller, thanks for the $1.99. I guess you have a question. GMT is going to be added on Coinbase. I've seen here. So yeah, there's been a massive big hype on that. I guess that news was announced today, very possible. So massive big speculation on that launch. This might be, you know, this might signal the top. But there's a big hype on Steppen right now. Thank you, Bernie. Thank you, guys, for letting me know that I'm back. So Sol USDT, Andy, please let's take a look at Solana. Why not? What's going on with Solana? What's going on with Solana? Solana, big massive range here on Solana. I was pretty bullish at this range. You know, there is a fight here. There is definitely a fight in between bulls and bears. Big consolidation at big support level, but it's looking very weak. We should have been getting that bounce already, not losing this range. Yeah, not much to say about this. There are some slightly bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. There is, I mean, the volume is pretty high on the pump. Volume is pretty low on this consolidation. But I think there's no buying interest at the moment by the looks of things. And there's quite a bit of bearishness So we could see the price just fizzle down. It seems like there's no interest on this. We can take a look at Luna also. Luna, US dollar. We were taking a look at Luna, major levels on Luna. We did have a pretty nice descending wedge, almost retesting the highs. I mean, this is definitely a take profit area already. If you break out of a descending wedge, the top of the wedge range is always a take profit level. Getting pretty nicely supported from a major daily level. Luna, we've got the major daily level on Luna, which is the 87.3k level. Sorry, 3k. Talking k here on Luna, no k's here. 87. Where's the close? 87.9, where we are getting that reaction. We've got a couple of bounces here on this major daily level. Look at this on the 4 hourly. This is this box over here. We take a look at the 4 hourly. We did get that beautiful bounce from this range. Important daily level, important 4 hourly level. Consolidation, descending wedge, bouncing at that level. I mean, this was a must. This was a must take the risk for a potential long trade, especially with high volume on this pump, low volume on the retracement. That was a must. It was a win-win trade. This was such a nice win trade right there to these highs. Now, could we double bottom this? We could double bottom. It could double bottom. I'll tell you what, if we break down on Solana, on Luna, sorry. If we break down on Luna, I can already see a major level right there. If we break down on Luna, that is a major range. Okay, we can clearly see it here. Consolidation bounce at $82. Resistance, breakdown. There's going to be a beautiful trading range here. Beautiful trading range in between $82 and $87, $88. Okay, beautiful trading range where you could make some pretty decent gains. If this breaks down, wait for that potential bounce at this range. Wait for that rejection at this range. Beautiful trading range for Luna at this level, just by looking at daily levels, 4 hourly resistance support levels. And I'm pretty bearish on Luna for the midterm because I was, you know, eyeing this lower high. The thing is, I was looking for that potential last leg up, maybe breaking this daily to hit the 618 from the highs to the lows, but we hit the 0.5 Fibonacci to perfection. This is, you know, 0.5 and 0.618. It's already a major level where you could get rejected. Got beautiful rejection right there. So if you are an aggressive trader, you got a daily level, you got 0.5 Fibonacci. Let's short this. Where shall we short it to? To this resistance, to this support right there. If I long this, where should I get profits? At the top of the range. If I'm, of course, here you would wait for a breakout. I would potentially long this range, potentially short this range. Guys, BTC moving fast. Let's take a look. BTC moving fast to the upside. Are we going to break the diamond reversal pattern to the upside? Maybe it is. Look, it's showing some strength here. Let's go to the 15-minute. Whoopsie doopsie. I think we're probably getting a little bit of rejection here. Let's go to the 5-minute chart for this. Wow. We are seeing Bitcoin having a little bit of a pumpy action. So we did manage to print that. We are very likely going to get rejected from this range. Not a solid break. This is not a solid breakout to the upside. Stay cautious. Whatever happens, I have some longs here. I have some shorts here. So yeah, stop out at the top of the pattern. I'll be happy enough to ride this long for a little bit longer. But there is a possibility this could break up in the next coming hours. We will see in the next coming hours, guys, and I will not be here to let you know, because I am going to leave right now. But it looks like it is attempting to break above, guys. It is breaking above this lower high over here from this diamond top pattern. I've seen this before on Bitcoin, created diamond top patterns, but this was in a big bull market. Okay, we have seen this before, and I cannot remember where, but I've seen diamond tops breaking bullish on Bitcoin many times, and I can't remember where right now. Where was it? There it is. We got one right there. We got a diamond top pattern here breaking bullish on Bitcoin. This was in December of basically December 2020. I remember looking at this. Let me just zoom out here on the 1 hourly. You can see it much better. December of 2020. Oh, it's not here. Hang on a second. Let me just take a look at that diamond. December of... it won't load more. Hang on a second. Where is it? There it is. You can see here the diamond pattern, but this was insanely bullish. This was basically the start of a bull run, right? Back in December of 2020, where you created these high highs, lower lows, big spike in the middle, slightly consolidation there. You had a diamond top pattern breaking extremely bullish, as you can see here. But this was in a big bull run. Nothing got to do with what is happening right now. And this is on the very, very short time frames. But yeah, there is a possibility. There is a possibility on this to break bullish. Why not? Why not? It is actually breaking bullish as we're speaking. Volume needs to start kicking in. We've seen some volume. There is some intentions. This needs to happen in the next hour. Bitcoin has 1 hour for a potential solid breakout, or it will roll back down. Stay cautious on this. Let's take a look at super chats. I'm asking people here, are you bullish on Bitcoin the coming weeks? We got over 230 votes, and no. 51% of people are saying no. 49% are saying yes. It's a 50-50 game. Cheno Alex, my targets are the NOPC and 0.66, okay, for both 43k and 48k at 41.4k or 42.7k, which is a daily naked point of control, and VPVR level by Saturday, and then commence the dump down. Okay, all right, Cheno, nice to know your thoughts on that. 0.66, okay, for both 43 and 44k. Let me just take a look at this. So hang on a second. Karam, thanks Andy for the content. What about AXS? Okay, Karam, I'll take a look at your super chat right away. Let me just take a look here 1 second at Cheno's super chat for both 43 and 48k. Right, I'm not sure if I understand too much your target, Cheno, but thanks for your amazing thoughts. Make sure to join the Telegram group. We could share analysis on there. Okay, I tell everyone to join Telegram group. You know, tag me there sometimes. Share the charts. We can share some analysis, some potential trades. Let's make some money together. Karam, thanks Andy for the content. What about AXS? Let's take a look at AXS. I think AXS hype has just finished. You know, look at this. It's just going down. Axie Infinity. It's just I don't want to even take a look at SLP token. Smooth Love Potion, but yeah, it seems like we've broken a major support level here on SLP. Expect some more downtrend. we could get a bounce from this daily level right now. We have a daily level here exactly at 37.4. We could be getting a bounce from this range, but it's not looking good. I'll tell you what, there's a good trade right over here on AXS, and that is coming back up to retest the $45. If it does have a bounce on $45, oh, you know, at least a short there to retest the lows, that is a very, very good trade. Such a solid level of support at $45 has been broken right now in the last few days. So solid that, yeah, very, very, very good potential trade there if we do get that retracement back up from the bounce of this daily level. So yeah, that's what I got for AXS. Looking bearish, not looking for shorts here. This could get a bounce from this region and come back up to retest this major support at $45, turning into resistance. I would be looking for that retest of the lows here at 37. Major trade opportunity right there with good risk management, of course. AXS can be traded on Bybit. Check it out. Bybit, my favorite swing trading platform. You get an insane bonus down below. It's another way to support the channel and for me to do daily content on YouTube, because I do get a commission on this, of course, so I can continue with the analysis every single day with Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, and also live streams, guys. This is going to be it for today's live stream, guys. Thank you very much. Been over an hour here with you guys right now. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out. It will give me massive support to continue growing the channel, doing this free analysis and content with you guys. Check out Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news, technical analysis ideas. Join all our socials down below. Join the Telegram group. You need to join the Telegram group. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.